Wow. That looks absolutely delicious. Mother, lots of carbohydrates.
You might as well have some bread.
I'll have a little. We'll have the bread and then I'll come to the kitchen.
The fondue is ready. So should I ask somebody to?
That would be lovely. Go for it.
You want to have some bread today?
I'll have some bread today. Bell pepper tomato dip,
This is our pesto,
pesto,
and this is our mayonnaise mixed with sun-dried tomato.
mayonnaise with sun-dried
And this
tomatoes,
is tahina yogurt.
tahina yogurt.
Oh wow!
Ooh, ooh. It's a carb load. Carbs. Lots of protein coming. Fresh bread. I like this tomato 8-8
Burnt tomatoes.
and the mayonnaise. Yeah. So good. Yummy. So this is Kanon, who's going to do the grills for us. Thank you for letting me in.
Thank you for letting us also into your channel.
You've been watching?
Yes, I watch Low and I watch you and your one bowl of measured rice.
There's no rice today. It's all proteins.
And obviously your taltale jhol is the most famous thing which you're cooking every second day for your friends, for your guests.
I will
And-
make you have it one day. Done. Kanon, can you tell us what we're having in the grill today?
Sure. So this is your Australian lamb chops. We basically marinate it with lots of garlic, rosemary, salt, pepper, oil, and then it's cooked as per your likes, because there are people who like it rare, they are medium.
I like it medium rare.
So that's like perfect, not too
The correct way to eat it.
The correct and exact way to enjoy the Australian meat.
Yes.
And then we have the prawns, which are marinated with salt, pepper and dill, because dill goes really well with seafood. All-time favorite Kolkata bhetki, which is also with little bit of kashundi, because that goes well with the Bengalis and with the Bengali fish that we have.
Beautiful.
Our Atlantic salmon,
Beautiful.
which is with the skin. So when we cook it, you will have a very crispy skin on top.
We'll keep this medium as well. We don't want it over dry.
Sure,
So
ma'am.
we want it like soft.
Okay.
Okay.
Go to bacon, which will go well with the your whole meat platter, and that's your chicken sausage. Absolute indulgent meal for you.
Wow. Looks absolutely delicious. I'm in the kitchen. These are the people who make it happen. Let's see the cooking. If you're a meat lover and a fish lover, this is where you need to come.
That's Chef Vishwanath. He is the master of grills. He will show you some salmon, some bhetki and some prawns grilling, because he's the best person in my kitchen who does this.
Chef Vishwanath will do the rest of the cooking. I can't wait. Please show us what you're doing.
ওকে ফার্স্টে আমি গ্রিলারটা একটু সিজনিং করে নিচ্ছি
He's sizzling the griller.
ওকে অ্যান্ড অয়েল স্প্রেড করে দিলাম একটু
Okay.
আর ফার্স্ট আমি গ্রিল করব সামানটা স্কিন সাইড ডাউন হবে
Skin side down first.
এর সঙ্গে আমি ভেটকি গ্রিল করব
Beautiful. I'm too excited.
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ
Thank you for taking such care.
একটু অয়েল ব্রাশ করছি কেন এবার ডাউন করতে হবে
Turn
আপ
হবে।
হ্যাঁ টার্ন হবে তো যাতে গ্রিলারের মধ্যে না চিপকে তার জন্য একটু অয়েল স্প্রেড করলাম
Ah, that's the meat sizzler, mother.
My goodness, wow.
That is seafood. I think we have lunch covered with leftovers.
Oh my god. Wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me go slow.
You go slow. I want my lamb chop.
You go. That's the garlic.
That is your sauce. Take. I'll cut you the salmon also. How's it, Mama?
It's too good.
The prawn.
It's absolutely fantastic.
Did you take some of the sauce?
Yes,
And some
all
mushrooms?
over it.
So this is my winter dinner date with my mother. I might not come back next month because I'm traveling, and I was here in Kolkata for a month. So I thought, let me take my mommy out. And yes, we're not going to eat all of it. There's going to be leftovers, which will be there in my what's for lunch, what's for dinner tomorrow also. This is the lamb chop. I'm going to take a little bit of the brown sauce. Ooh. And I love my meat with some asparagus. Poolside grill at the Taj. Cheers. Okay, that is the Atlantic salmon, which looks amazing. We're going to put some of this lemony, garlicky sauce. Ooh. Because the skin is nice and crispy. Beautiful. Not overcooked. I don't like an overcooked salmon. It gets really dry. This is cooked to perfection with a crispy skin. So what's your dinner?